Hi there. I cut my tobacco up with scissors. They're kind of sticky, but they work. And this is going to be used for rolling. It's a little bit dry. I'm going to go for it anyway. I also have a little bit of glue. Oops! I just spilled it. Anyway, I got a little spoon with a little glue on it. I have some glue mixed up, and it's a powder, and it's a vegetable base, and it smells like an herb, and it's like 2 parts water to 1 part powder. I'm going to use that. And my biggest problem is rolling. And this is just this year's leaf. It's not even like great stuff, so I'm not worried about it, you know, if it doesn't work. So you just put it in there like close to the shape I want it. I like cutting it up with scissors. I don't need a huge supply for sure, so keeps things from being automatic. Automatically pull one out. There we go. So now I want this a little bit firmer. They seem to be loose, so I want to get this one a little firmer. And I just work with it. It's different than paper, for sure. Once I get it, you know, what I want in there, and it's tight enough or loose enough, whatever, then I roll it, and it's just really easy. Now, I'm not sure. I saw a video where they used a lot of glue, but I don't want to use a lot of glue. Maybe if I cut that. See, this is all new to me, so bear with me. Then I get this glue, and I put this glue here. Now what I noticed, since I spilled some over here, I'm going to just goop it up with my finger and just put it on there. Yeah, like I saw in the video. I saw somebody doing this much different than I'm doing it. But I'm just going to go ahead and, yeah, work that in, pull the leaves out a little bit. I don't think it matters if you have a wide glue strip there. There we go. So anyway, that's the first thing I do. And if I could find this piece of paper, But anyway, I roll it up in a piece of paper so it doesn't come, so that it keeps it from coming apart. Because I don't want to stand there and hold it, and it obviously will come apart right there. So just roll it up in a piece of paper. Let it sit for a while. It takes a while. Wow, that's fat. So anyway, it's big on one end. So what can you say? Kind of looking through the camera, so I forgive myself. Anyway, I wish you guys a happy day, and life is good.